Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lauralee and I am the owner of Mumsy Mooks Crochet, and today we're going to be making this beautiful blanket. This is a nice chevron blanket and it's really simple with a 1-row repeat. The colours that I've used I will also link down below in the description, and I will let you know what they are in just a second. But before we get into that, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel as it really does help, and also a big thank you to my patrons and members in my YouTube. So the hook size that we're going to need for this is a 4mm, and we're going to need some acrylic double knit yarn. So I'm using the Women's Institute. This one is cream. I've then got the Wendy's Supreme double knit, as well as the medium brown and the Fox Rust, I believe it is, for the Women's Institute, and I will link them all below. So we're going to start off by making a slip knot, pop our hook in and pull tight, and we're going to chain a multiple of 12 plus 3. So you're just going to continue chaining up in multiples of 12 until you get to the size blanket that you'd like, and then you're going to add 3 chains onto the end. And I'm going to add 3, 1, 2 and 3, and that is my little swatch for you guys. So row 1 we're going to count down 4 stitches or 4 chains. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to work a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, just like so. And that chain there is going to count as our first double crochet, so we've got 2 double crochets into that first stitch. We're then going to put 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. So 1 into here, 1 into the next, and then 1 into the next. Now we're going to be doing the downward part of our chevron, so we're going to be doing decreases. So we're going to decrease the next 2 chains by doing a double crochet 2 together. So we're going to go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over your hook into the next chain. If we can get it in, there we go, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, 1, 2 and 3, and yarn over, pull through all 3. And we're going to do that one more time. So in again and create our double crochet 2 together. And I seem to be all fingers and thumbs today, apologies guys. There we go. So next chain, and we're just going to crochet them together. So we've got 2 double crochet 2 togethers, and now we're going to put 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. So we're going to put a double crochet into the next, and the next, and the next. That's 2 and 3. And now we're going to make the top part of our chevron. So we're going to increase in each of the next 2 chains. So that means putting 2 double crochets into each of the next 2 chains. So that's 1 increase, and now we're going to increase into the next chain. And there we go, onto the last stitch into this chain, and we're going to repeat this all the way across. So we're going to put 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, then we're going to decrease 2 together, so double crochet 2 together twice, 1 double crochet in each of the next 3, then we're going to increase in the next 2 and repeat that all the way down till you get to the end. And for the last stitch we're just going to put 2 double crochets into there. So this last chain just here, we're going to put 2 double crochets. So this is what you should have so far. You should start to see those little waves where you've done the increases and decreases. And for round 2, we're going to chain up 3. So 1, 2 and 3, and then turn our work. And that chain does count as the first stitch. So we are going to be doing the same as the previous row, but we're going to be working into the back loop only. So you can see the V on top, and we're just going to go into the back loop of that V, and we're going to do a double crochet. So we've got our increase in the first stitch, and we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 3, making sure you only work into that back loop of each stitch across. So into the back loop, 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet in the next 2. So we've got 1 in here, whoop, there we go, and then 1 in the next. And then we are going to decrease over the next 2 in the back loop only. So into that back loop, into the next back loop, and we're double crocheting them together, and then repeat that one more time. And then we're going to put 1 double crochet in the back loop only of the next 3 stitches. Now we're at the top of our chevron, so we're going to increase, so 2 double crochets in each of the next 2 stitches. You can see here we're creating a nice little ridge when we're working into the back loop. So increase in the next 2 stitches. And then we're going to put 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, and you're going to repeat that again all the way across until you get to the other end. So now I'm at the other end. I have just a few stitches left, so I'm going to put my 1 double crochet in each of the next 3, and then I'm going to work 2 double crochets into the top of the chain 3. Okay, so now we're at the chain 3, so we're just going to work into the top of that chain 3 and put the 2 double crochets into there to finish off this row. So you should have something that looks like this. We can see that nice ridge in the middle, and we're going to now chain 1 and fasten off. So you're going to snip the yarn, and we're going to grab our next colour. So I'm just going to make a slip knot and pop our hook in, pull tight, and we're just going to attach this where we fastened off. So we're just going to pop our hook in where we fastened off last in that last stitch, and we're going to slip stitch it on. So bring it through and slip stitch through, there we go. And we're going to grab those 2 tail ends and put them between the hook and the working yarn, then chain 3. And we're working in the back loop only again for this round, but I'm going to work over those tail ends. So I'm going to put 1 double crochet into the same space as the chain 3, as we always start and end with 2 double crochets. And then I'm going to work 1 double crochet into each of the next 3. So we're just repeating what we did in the previous rows, just with a different colour. Then we're going to decrease twice, making sure we're only working in those back loops. Then 3 double crochets. We're going to increase in the next 2, and that is our repeat. So we're going to put 3 double crochets, then 2 decreases, 3 double crochets, 2 increases, rinse and repeat. So we're just going to keep doing that until we have 2 rows of this colour, and then once you've done that, we're going to fasten off and we're going to attach the next colour. And once you finish row 3, you should have something that looks like this, and then you're just going to repeat that second row over and over until you get to the size blanket that you want, making sure you change colours every 2 rows. And when you finished, you should have something that looks like this. And I think it's absolutely stunning. I love the color changes. I like this one being the front because the ridges and the color changes, they all happen at the same time. So you can see wherever there is a ridge, there's a new color change behind it. And if we have a look at the back, you can see that the ridge is in the center of the color. So it's up to you which one you prefer. But either way, I think this blanket is beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys. If you have, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.